In today's video, I'm going over GDAX, an awesome cryptocurrency exchange for buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and how you can actually use this exchange to trade those cryptocurrencies with absolutely zero fees. Hey guys, what's up? This is Eric of Investing Apps TV, and on this channel we talk investing apps, investing tutorials, and investing principles. So if you're new here today, definitely feel free to subscribe to catch future videos just like this one. With that being said guys, we're now going to hop into my computer screen and start today's review on GDAX. Alright guys, so here we are now inside the GDAX cryptocurrency exchange. This is on the home page here, and it's basically a one-page exchange here. That's really all you need. It does look really complicated at first, but I'll break it down for you. It's really not that bad. So the first thing you'll need to know is that GDAX is actually owned by Coinbase. So Coinbase and GDAX are one and the same when it comes down to it. The only difference is GDAX is a lot cheaper because there are zero fees if you buy and sell the right way. And I'll show you how to do that in just a bit. But basically, if you already have a Coinbase account, then that means you already have a GDAX account. You do not have to create a new account. All you have to do is go to gdax.com. And as you can see, it's owned here by Coinbase. Just go to gdax.com and log in with your same Coinbase credentials. In fact, if you're already logged into Coinbase on this browser, you may then already be automatically logged into GDAX. So that's pretty cool. It's one and the same. And it's also very easy to transfer funds between GDAX and Coinbase with no fees. So as you can see, I currently have $0 and 0 Bitcoin on my GDAX account here. Now, before I get into explaining what all these numbers and charts mean, let's first get some money into the account here. So if you want to transfer into your GDAX account directly from your Coinbase account, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is click on deposit right here. And again, you can deposit from your bank account. And these are the same bank accounts linked to your Coinbase account. So it's very easy. Or you could do a bank wire, or from your Coinbase account, or from a BTC address. I can send money to my GDAX account from another Bitcoin wallet. But in this example, I want to send from my Coinbase account just to show you how fast and easy it is to do that. Now, let's actually say, for example, I want to actually buy some Litecoin. If I click up here where it says Bitcoin/USD, as you can see, there are currently 4 cryptocurrencies you could trade on GDAX. They are currently Bitcoin, Bcash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So I want to change over to Litecoin here. And as you can see, it now adjusts everything here to Litecoin. If I wanted to deposit, I would click on deposit here. And I want to deposit from my Coinbase account. So I could deposit Litecoin or USD, US dollars. I want to deposit some US dollars. So I currently have $99 in my Coinbase account. As you can see, if I click over here to Coinbase, I currently have $99.99 in my Coinbase account, and I can instantly move it just by clicking on USD wallet. I want to transfer over the whole $99.99. Click on, as you can see, Coinbase transfers are instant and free into your GDAX account. And deposits from your Coinbase accounts are unlimited. So that's pretty cool. I would click on deposit funds. Great, you have successfully deposited $99.99. And just like that, it's instantly now in my GDAX account. As you can see, I currently have $99 available to trade. And if I go back to Coinbase and I refresh the page here, it should show it's deducted out of my account. Yes, I have $0. It's been transferred to my GDAX account. So if I go back to GDAX now, and like I said, again, you could choose any of these cryptocurrencies you want to trade. I currently want to trade some Litecoin. So right here in the middle of the page, you'll see the current market price for Litecoin. And again, if I change this to Bitcoin, it'll show me the current market price for Bitcoin, just the same. So what you have to know is what these little charts mean. Basically, this candle chart up here is basically showing you the price fluctuations over the last 5 minutes. I could adjust it to the last minute, to the last 15 minutes, over the last hour, over the last 6 hours, and over the last 1 day. So I can see the different price fluctuations. But it's set to candle. You can also change it to line price chart if you like line charts better, but either one works. And beneath that, this is the buying and selling price fluctuations here. So as you can see, all this red over here are the sellers, and all this green are all the buyers on GDAX. And they meet right here in the middle. It's always constantly fluctuating 24/7, and this middle meeting point right here, that's where the sales, that's where the transactions are made. So as you can see, all of these people are selling Bitcoin at different prices. Litecoin at different prices. On the far end here, people are selling it up to $228. They want to get that much for it. And people on the buying end want to buy it for as low as $219. and they end up meeting in the middle right here. This is what moves the price of Litecoin, of Bitcoin, of every cryptocurrency basically. So over on the left hand side here, you'll see this is actually the bid-ask spread, and that's actually the same. What you see here is the same as what you see here. So the current spread is 1 cent for Litecoin. That means the lowest price someone's willing to accept right now for Litecoin is $224.41. The highest price someone's willing to pay for it is currently $224.40. That's a 1 cent difference. So it's very close. Most times you'll see the bid-ask spread about 1 cent or less. So that's the middle meeting point. That's what gives Litecoin and Bitcoin and every cryptocurrency its current market price. So this right here is the same as this right here. It's just in numerical fashion. And you could scroll up here and see the highest price someone wants to sell it for. You can scroll all the way down and see the lowest price someone wants to buy it for. But by default, it shows you right here in the middle. On the right-hand side over here, you'll see the trade history. And by the way, that's called the order book, which does show the bid-ask spread. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see something that says trade history. This shows you all the recent transactions and trades that have taken place on GDAX for this select cryptocurrency. So for Litecoin, these are all the recent trades. And as you can see, every second it's adding a new trade, a new transaction, and the time, 12:19 in 1 second, 12:18 in 58 seconds. And it shows you all the past transactions, all the past trades going through on GDAX in real time. So that's basically really all you have to see on this interface here. Down beneath here, you'll see open orders. That's if I have any open orders placed, and I'll show you how to do that in just a bit. And it shows you your fills, which orders were filled, the size of the order, the price, the fee, which again, 0 fee if you do the trade just right, and I'll show you how to do that, and how long ago it took place. But that's really it when it comes down to the interface here on the home page. As you can see, I hope that helped explain it. It's really not that complicated. It looks complicated at first, it looks daunting, but if we break it down, it's really not that bad. Now, if you want to see an actual buy take place on GDAX, I will show you that in my GDAX tutorial video. This is just the review video showing you how everything works here. But just to give you a brief overview, here on GDAX, you can buy or sell. So I currently have $99.99 ready to buy. So I could place a market order, which will buy at the market price, or I could place a limit order, which will buy at a price that I want to buy at. So as you can see, the current price of Litecoin is $224. Let's say I didn't want to buy until the price dropped to $220. Then it asks you, how much do you want to buy? I want to buy that much Litecoin, which is basically the equivalent of how much US dollar I have. I could click on place order, and it would place the order, and it would only execute when the price of Litecoin drops to $220. But I'll show you a real actual buying example in my tutorial video. But that's really basically all you have to know for the review of GDAX. It's really easy to use. All these little charts are changing and fluctuating in real time. And just remember that it's linked to your Coinbase account. So if you already have a Coinbase account, you already have a GDAX account with the same login. Again, you could deposit and you could also withdraw with 0 fees. You could withdraw directly to your Coinbase account, to your bank account, or to another Litecoin or Bitcoin address, depending on the cryptocurrency you're dealing with. But at the end of the day, you want to take advantage of the 0 fees. You want to place limit orders for buys and for sells. If you do a market order, you will pay a 0.25% fee, which is still much less than Coinbase, where Coinbase it can be as high as 4% fee and as low as a 1.5% fee. On GDAX, it would be a 0.25% fee if you placed a market order, which means the order would take place instantly at the current market price. But if you want to take advantage of 0 commission fees, what you want to do is place a limit order here. That means the order will not fill right away, but it will fill at your price, the price that you want to buy at, or the price that you want to sell at. And with limit orders on GDAX, it's a 0% fee. So just keep that in mind. But I'll show you that again in more detail in my GDAX tutorial video. And that pretty much sums up today's review on the GDAX cryptocurrency exchange. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever used GDAX before, or is there another cryptocurrency exchange you recommend with low fees? As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you would like to see an actual example of a cryptocurrency exchange using GDAX, feel free to check out my GDAX tutorial video, where I show you an actual real-time cryptocurrency exchange I did on GDAX. So if you're interested in that, I'll link that video right over here to the right, as well as some of my other cryptocurrency exchange reviews. And lastly guys, if you have any questions about the GDAX exchange, feel free to leave those questions down below in the comments, and I'm always happy to answer those for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.